Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a drop-down menu in Microsoft Excel. Suppose if you are going to use drop-down menu and if you don't know how to create a drop-down menu, follow this video. See here. For example, here I have given here two questions. Which is your favorite cricket team in IPL? And the next question, are you going to watch cricket matches in the stadium? So for these two questions, if you would like to create a drop down menu here, yes, you can do it. What you have to do, select the cell from which you would like to apply the drop down, and yes, here I have selected this one for the first question. Which is your favorite cricket team in IPL? So answering person must have the drop down menu. So you have to create a drop down menu for this. Okay, so click the cell and then go to data here and go to here data validation and click on data validation. Okay, a dialog box will appear like this. Here you have to select here list, and in the source you have to type the options with comma. Each option should be separated by a comma. Okay, I have already uh, typed and copied some text. These are all the text that are the team names. Okay, CSK, first team is CSK, comma RCB, then comma MI, then GT, SRH, LSG, PPKS, DC. These are all the cricket teams in IPL. So all options are included with a comma. Okay, and click OK here, and it will appear now a drop down. See here, this is drop down icon available. Just if you click on it, you will have all the options that you have already included. Okay, so answering person will see this and select their favorite team. Here I select favorite team as PBKS. Okay, then next question, are you going to watch cricket matches in the stadium? Then here you have to probably give yes or no answer. So what you have to do, write yes and no separated by comma. First you have to select the box, then go to data, then data validation here, and that data validation again, and a dialog box will appear like this. In allow any value, just click on it and click on list, and here you have to type yes separated by a comma, then no. Okay, yes and no. Okay, so these two options will appear for this question, and click OK. Yes, see, drop down menu is now appeared, and if you click on it you will have the option. So here I selected no. So in this way you can easily create drop down menu for any questions. Okay, so for questionnaire you can easily create a drop down menu using the options data validation. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.